In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade Cisco Firepower or Cisco FTD. The model that I'm using is 1120, but we can use the same process for upgrading other models. We can see here the model that I'm using is Cisco Firepower 1120, and the software version is 7.0.6. I can zoom a little bit so we can see it better, and I want to upgrade it to a higher version. But the first thing that we need to know that we cannot upgrade from this version to any higher version. There is an upgrade path that we should check to see if we can go, for example, directly from 7.0 to 7.7 or not. Here you can see that there is a table. For example, for our version, which is 7.0, we can see we cannot go directly to 7.7. The highest version that we can go directly is 7.4. There is a yes in this intersection of this row and this column. We can go, for example, first to 7.4, and then from 7.4, we can see that if we want to go to 7.7, there is a yes here. It means we can go from 7.4 to 7.7. So we should remember that there is an upgrade path. The next thing that we should check is to see which version is suitable for our model. I can search here in this site, software.cisco.com/download/home. I search for Firepower and I scroll down and I can see Firepower 1120 security appliance. I click here and I'm looking for Firepower Threat Defense software. I click here. We can see that the recommended version is 7.6.2. It is true that the latest version is 7.7.10, but the recommended version is this one. Here we can see that there is a tar file. Because we want to upgrade it via the web interface, we need this tar file. If we wanted to do it through CLI, we needed this .spa file. But we saw here in this table that first we need to download 7.4 because we cannot go directly from 7.0 to 7.7. If we go to 7.4, there are different versions here. We can see that there is an upgrade file here that we can download this one. We can download it from Cisco or any reliable source that you have. I've already downloaded this file, so I have it on my computer. So here on my FTD, I click in update section, I click view configuration. We can see here in the system upgrade section that the current version is 7.0. I click browse here and I choose this file here. You can see it is 7.4 and I click open. It starts uploading the image to the FTD box. The size of the file was almost 1 gigabyte. So it's going to take some time to transfer the file to the FTD. I'm going to pause the video and start recording when the transfer is done. Okay, we can see that the upload of the file is done and it is giving us a message. It says the upload is done and the file will be staged for later installation. And it says if you want to upgrade the box right now, you can check this one, run upgrade immediately on upload. That's what we want, and we click OK. It is giving us some advice or some warning that do not start the restore, do not reboot the system during upgrade, and do not power off the device. And there is a check here that it says if we face a failure during the upgrade, we want to roll back to the previous version. We keep it checked and we say continue. It says it is preparing to start the upgrade process, and it says you will be logged out when the upgrade begins. Okay, you can see that it is starting the upgrade process and it's going to take some time. So I'm going to pause the video and start recording when the upgrade process is done. I refresh the page and you can see that it says upgrading. So far, it has reached 16% and it says the remaining time is 32 minutes. So I'm going to pause the video again and start recording when the upgrade process is done. Now we can see that the upgrade process is done. It took more than 1 hour. Now I log in using the username and password that I set. We can see here that the version is changed. The software version is 7.4. Now we can upgrade to 7.7, but the process is the same. So I'm not going to do that because it's going to take another hour to do that. In this video, we saw how we can upgrade a Cisco FTD. We saw that there is an upgrade path, so we should be careful because we cannot upgrade directly from any version to any version. And we also saw where we can find the new images. Thank you so much for watching this video.